today we're going to be making a completely all-natural, unscented, nothing else added to it except for our goat's milk and some honey and some oatmeal. So this one's actually going to be in some clay that's in the base oils already here. So we have our goat's milk and lye solution, which I've discounted because I'm going to be adding some more goat's milk that has been infused with raw honey. But we're going to go ahead and get this portion, which because I did discount it, turned a little yellower than normal. Got a little scorching because it got a little bit hotter without that extra, because I used the same amount of lye, but not the same amount of liquid. It was discounted by 4 ounces to account for our 4 ounces of goat's milk that has been infused with raw honey. Beehives here that we had, we actually do not have any bees currently. They swarmed, and my husband, who's the beekeeper, wanted to colorants aside from our natural colorants. So I'm going to go ahead and add hit that with a stick blender just so the pieces aren't really big. This is part of the old creative process. All right, and then I'm going to add just a tiny little bit of our oatmeal to the top. Not too much here because in Florida things can start to mold in our humidity, but we're getting ready to get into our lower humidity months in the fall, so this one should be okay. Keeping it stored in your house obviously helps to keep any kind of mold from forming if you live in the South like I do. Just kind of wanted those to be a little, they're kind of filling in on me because this is not getting thick quickly without any kind of thickness. There we go. All right, so that is our oatmeal milk and honey, totally unscented, all natural colorants. And we will be back in about 24 hours. We will see how this turmeric changes and how the inside actually will lighten up some too. So we will be back. All right, so actually I'm pretty surprised, but the part that I colored with the turmeric powder has actually stayed really orange, even though it's been quite a long time since I made this, so it may possibly fade the longer that it sits, but I'm kind of hopeful that it's actually going to stay a pretty nice orange color. So I guess I was soaping cool enough that it didn't affect the colors from not getting too overheated. So as I came back later and checked the temperature as it was going through the saponification process, sitting in the mold, and it never got over, for all the times I was checking, over about 108 degrees. That was the highest that it got to. So as I was checking with my thermal thermometer anyway. So anyway, my heat gun. So we're gonna go ahead and get this cut up. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on its side because of that oatmeal that's in there. So we'll do it that way just so we can avoid any drag marks. And the recipe with this one, with all of the clay, I believe I put rhassoul clay in here. It's keeping this like a really nice creamy oatmeal-y color. So, and this is totally natural. This is just because of the goat's milk and the honey and that rhassoul clay that's in here that gives us this nice kind of tan, creamy, off-white color. So really almost just like exactly oatmeal. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get this cut up and we'll see. I got it all lined up good here. And probably we'll get some drag marks anyway, just because we've got that. Oh my gosh, this one's hard. That's a seriously hard bar. Oh, all right. Either that or I'm getting out of shape, and I've been cutting so much soap and toting soap that I can't imagine that, but I did hurt my back. And I haven't been doing as much heavy lifting lately, so maybe it's starting to show. It's only been a couple weeks. So if you see me wearing a back brace on video, that would be why. All right, so that little swirl coming down there. And you can see the little pieces of oatmeal, but actually not any drag marks or anything, so cool. All right, so anyway, if you have enjoyed this all natural, using the all natural colorants, I have been trying to do a few more of those since it appears that you seem to like those in my algorithm. Oh, that one's kind of cool. Look at that. I would say, I'll have to show my daughter, it kind of looks like a Star Wars rebel symbol going on in there. But if you have enjoyed watching some of these all natural colorants, I'm going to play around with them, try to get better at it. I've used them for years, mostly like cocoa powder, activated charcoal. I've used indigo and the the clays, and I've used turmeric before. I've never had it actually turn out that well, so I will have to write down what I did just so I'll know how to keep that nice orange color. It probably had a lot to do with the fact that this soap has the honey and everything in it already. So anyway, we do thank you for watching, and if you did like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button, and if you want to subscribe, we would appreciate it. We appreciate all of you, and we hope that you have a very blessed day, and we'll see you later.